Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk with you about how to break ice when start a conversation with strangers. You probably have experienced a lot of occasions that you wish you have break the ice earlier such that you are more comfortable in the conversation. Or you might be just regret the missed opportunities that you had if you ice break those conversations. No matter if you are introvert or extrovert, it's not easy for any of us to start a conversation, especially when we're in a new environment with strangers. So today I want to share some of the examples that how I handle those situations, and hopefully you can learn a thing or two. I will start one personal story happened yesterday. When I pick up my kids in the preschool, I don't know the other kids or their parents were both waiting in the front desk because her child had a bowel movement problem and she complained that her child didn't eat vegetables. I don't know her well, but I immediately continued the conversation saying, you know what, my kids don't eat vegetable either. And we easily start a conversation for the next few minutes. So you can see I continue the conversation saying something that will make them feel less worried about. You can try the same method because in our daily lives, we are just too worried about ourselves, whether it's our work, our partners, our kids, or any other things in your mind. We're constantly in the struggles to come up with our own worries. So a good icebreaker would be let the other person know that they are not the only one who have these struggles or worries. On one side, you are making people less worried. On the other side, you can break into the conversation and make yourself more likable. The second story I want to share with you is a group conversation, which is a little bit more challenging if you don't know a lot of people in that group, if you want to break into the conversation. Last weekend, our neighbor had his son's 3-year-old birthday party. Because we moved into this neighborhood not long ago and I just got to know him. He invited us for her son's birthday party because my son is also close to 3 years old. Fast forward to the day, it's been held in the picnic area at Lake Elizabeth. So by the time we were there, there's only 1 or 2 other guests there. It's much easier for me to introduce myself. I just went to the other family and I go to introduce myself and I told him that I'm a neighbor of the host. And you know what? Then the host come over and say, actually the housing that I purchased in the neighborhood is the one that he shared with the other guest. So immediately we have a common topic. We talk about the living cost, the housing, and because apparently they're also looking into moving to this area, so we share a lot of recent learnings from this neighborhood and provide some of our honest feedback. After that, I also introduced my wife to him because my wife tends to be a little bit shy when speaking with strangers. So I want to make her feel like comfortable. So I grab her and introduce her to the family. Then they can start a conversation. Then I start talk with the other guy whose name is VJ because I know a lot of VJs as my colleagues. So I quickly made some comments saying you are not the first VJ we know. Actually, he appreciated that I have a good memory because at the end of the party, I can still remember his name as VJ. As time goes by, more families come in and the group's getting much bigger. And apparently, some of them are friends already, they know each other, but we're the only Chinese family in that Indian party. I'm glad that I take the courage to speak with the first 2 families earlier, otherwise it will be much difficult to break into if they all looks very familiar to each other. Think about it, if we don't go to make introduction to others, chances are they are probably also shy to make introductions back to us. Then we might not be able to enjoy the party as we did. So I'm really glad that I had the courage to do it. Even though people may think I'm outgoing, but again, it still takes courage to go out to break the ice with strangers. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, please don't hesitate to smash the like button and also share this video with your friends. I wish you a wonderful day and see you next time.